Why work to build someone else's dreams when you can invest in your own? 2025 is shaping up to be a game changer for small businesses, and I'm here to guide you step by step on how to start your own. Are you ready to jump into the wide and wonderful world of business? If so, don't skip this video. Watch till the end. By the end of this video, you would have received the easy step-by-step guide on how to start your own business. Now, let's dive in. Moving on to the exciting part, writing your business plan. Yes, I know you could feel like this is a tedious task. A business plan, trust me, is super important in the business world. It's like your roadmap, like your GPS. You know, you wouldn't live on a road trip without a direction. Just like you wouldn't leave your house to an unknown destination without putting the address in your GPS. So it's your business plan. When you are writing your business plans, include things like your business goals, marketing strategies, your financial projections, and don't forget to add a little bit of your passion. Make it personal. Investors love saying that. If you need help with writing a very simple business plans, let me know in the comment section. I can dedicate a full video to explaining every tips, every step that goes into it. But setting yourself to succeed in the business world is the best thing you can do for yourself. Once you've got your business plan, let's talk money. Yes, let's talk about money. You need to fund this baby. Whether it's savings, loans, or finding angel investors, you've got to figure out how to pay for every little supplies to website cost. If some of that you can save money by doing by yourself or reaching out to business strategists like us, people who already have business in place who can show you what they have done in the past and how you can do them yourselves and save that cost. All right, you already have your business plan. Remember, that business plan is a tool you can take to your bank with your business registration, and a bank can loan you some startup funds. Okay, there are some investors friendly banks like microfinance, credit unions. They can loan you some startup funds. Also, SBA has some startup funds programs that are friendly to people starting business newly. Alternatively, you could also get some loans from your friends and family. And this is personal because I have also benefited from a friend. There was a time when I acquired an established business that came to me with 28 employees in Texas. Yes, this is not the one I built from scratch, but I acquired the business and I put in a lot of money, to meet up the contract and all of that. What keeps my mind is that I still need some money for inventories, and this is where your business plan comes handy. If you don't put down every little things, you could, overlook some certain expenses that needs to be met. At that point, I injected another $80,000. I still needed $10,000 to finalize the inventory payment. I have to call a friend. Yes, so be mindful of your circle, the kind of friends you have around you. You need people that can come through for you. My girlfriend, once I called, is like, "Oh, boss lady, you asking for money?" She brought me $10,000 to my office, and in the next 2 weeks she got her money back. The reason I brought this example is You can benefit from having quality friends around you, of relatives, of your dad, your mom, siblings, people who can help you in time of need. And you borrow from them. When you get your business started up, you can start paying back little by little. You don't have to break the banks, but it's important to have people around you, people who love and support your new idea. Now we're on to branding. This is where the fun really begins. Your brand is your business personality. What are your brand colors? You need to have a brand color. You need to have your logo. When people say it, they remember you. Make sure it reflects what your business stands for. Think about your social media presence. Hello, TikTok, Instagram, they're all fantastic for marketing in 2025. Finally, it's time to launch. Set a date, make some noise about it, and get ready for your grand openings. Celebrate the journey, lovelies, even if it's just you and your cat. Yes. Now, don't forget about building your online presence. A website, social media accounts, you need to be visible. Craft content that connects with your audience. Show them who you are. Behind the scenes, product sneak peeks, your journey, and don't forget, engage with your audience. Ask questions, start polls, make them feel part of your adventure. Don't forget, starting a business in 2025 means being ready to adapt. Adapt to those feedbacks from customers, to those positive and negative reviews. They all help shape your growth. Stay humble, okay? And remember, it's all part of the journey. Wherever you feel you need to make some improvements, do not hesitate to do it. You are still building your brands. Always tweak, improve. Find out what is working for others and implement that. Do not be held back by what people are going to say, that you change from color blue to yellow. No. You gotta adapt, and you have to move on, and you have to grow. Lovelies, you have it. My ultimate guide to starting your own business this year. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more business tips, and tell me what's your business idea in the comments below. Tell me where you are struggling in starting your own business. Let's make this 2025 the year of you. Until next time, stay inspired and stay winning.